Rhea, are we ready for the meeting?
Shravan, I'll be there in just a minute.
ನೋಡ ಬಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
So this is the high-level plan for a one-of-a-kind online store exclusively for senior citizens.
I don't think this will work out, Rhea. What will they buy online? Medicines?
Ask your parents, Mahesh. Actually, you know what? Don't. Knowing how they son things, I'm sure they wouldn't bother telling you.
Rhea, why are you taking it personally?
I'm sorry, it's nothing personal. But remember, Mahesh, the body ages, not the spirit. And I'm sure they have their own needs and wants. Forget about their wants, we hardly put in an effort to understand their needs. And I guess a little research to understand this market would give them the freedom and us an opportunity. I don't think that's a bad idea.
Okay, Rhea, this seems interesting, but I would like to see some more details.
Sure. Thank you, Shravan.
ಅಣ್ಣ ಮದ್ವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದಾರಂತಣ್ಣ. ಕತೆ ಸುಖಾಂತ್ಯವಾಯ್ತು.
ಕಂಗ್ರಾಟ್ಸ್ ಕಣ.
ನನಗ್ ಕಂಗ್ರಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕಣ್ಣ?
ಟಿಪ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡ.
Please do subscribe to Madhura Audio.
Please subscribe to Madhura Audios.
Please subscribe to Madhura Audio.
Please subscribe to Madhura Audio. Please subscribe to Madhura Audio. Don't forget to subscribe to Madhura Audio.